Nice and lovely, guys. So this is a leftover pasta with mushroom, tomato sauce, and some bean. And I'm gonna show you how you can make a simple salad from it. This is a little bit of leftover pasta which I cook and I have it left over, and I want to make some like a nice lovely pasta salad. Alright, so first thing, we're going to put some mayonnaise. Secondly, some salad cream. Thirdly, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. That's really good for it. And then give it a lovely mix. So we're gonna spice it up by adding some pepper to it, little bit of dry chili, and some peri season. Give it a mix. Very easy one, and you know what I mean. Just serve it now. Show you how easy and simple it is to do this one. Nice. Look at this. Leftover pasta salad. Got sweet corn, got mushroom in it, and you know, a lot of stuff in it. Really nice. Beautiful. Look at that, simple. So let's put a little bit more of the peri season on top of it like this for color. And some pepper. That will become lovely and nice. Look at that, really fantastic. If you have any problem, just put a little bit of spring onion on top of it like this. And that will come out lovely and nice. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google+. Get your favorite recipe. We've got a lot more recipe like this will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.